Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Wix. I'll walk you through its key features, how the pricing works, and what each of their plans actually offers so you can figure out which one makes the most sense for you. If you're looking to build a clean professional website without touching code, this might be just what you need. Just a quick heads up though before we get into it, I wasn't able to find any active coupon codes for Wix, but I did track down the best deal currently available, and I've dropped that link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, Wix is easily one of the most popular website builders out there, and there's a reason for it. It's super intuitive to use, even if you've never built a site before. You got a wide range of templates to work with, and they've got some pretty great tools for e-commerce too. Personally, I don't have a background in coding or web design, but Wix made it surprisingly fun and simple to make something that actually looks professional. So if that sounds like you, it's definitely worth a look. When it comes to pricing, Wix gives you a few different plans depending on what you need. The entry-level one is called the Lite plan, and it goes for about $17 a month. It gives you the basics, a custom domain, a professional site, and a couple of collaborators to help you manage it. If you're just starting out, that one might be enough. But if you're getting into e-commerce and want to sell things online, the core plan might be a better fit. It costs around $29 a month and gives you more flexibility. You can accept payments, build a product catalog, and have up to 5 people working on your sites. Then there's the business plan, which is more focused on helping you grow and make money from your store. It comes with features like a referral program and unlimited stock alerts to keep everything running smoothly. That one runs about $36 a month, and it's a great option if you're starting to scale things up. And finally, there's the Business Elite plan, which is the most advanced one. This plan pretty much gives you everything Wix has to offer, including the ability to take payments in up to 10 different currencies, branded e-gift cards, and access to model list for dropshipping up to 50,000 products. It's designed for people who are running serious international e-commerce operations, and it comes in at around $159 a month. Yeah, it's a big jump in price, but it also packs in a lot of value if you need those features. And that's pretty much the breakdown. Again, the best deal I could find for Wix is linked below, and if you want more details, I've also included a full review that goes even deeper into everything Wix offers. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I always try to reply when I can, and if you found the video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one.